Welcome to Veer Electronics Private Limited. Now, we will perform short circuit test. Short circuit test is used to find out copper loss of transformer. Here, as DUT we are using 63 kVA, 11 kV by 433 volts distribution transformer. So connect LTCT output cable to HV side of DUT. Keep test selection switch on OCSC position. Intermediate selection switch on IT to position. LTCT tap selection switch on tap number 5 means 50 ampere by 5 ampere position. LTPT tap selection switch on tap number 4 means 0.660 kV by 110 volts position. Also, set CT ratio 10 and PT ratio 6 in power analyzer. Now, push test start push button and IT to lamp, LTCT 50 ampere by 5 ampere and LTPT 0.660 kV by 110 volts. Indication lamp turns on. Now, apply 3.31 ampere rated current through dimmer push button. Once rated current applied, then press hold button to freeze data. Also press lock button in software to save data in software. Here, active power P known as short circuit loss or copper loss of transformer. Average voltage V known as short circuit impedance voltage. As shown in figure, percent impedance of 63 kVA transformer test job is 4.63. Now, test stop push button and dimmer returns to 0 position and dimmer 0 lamp turns on. By this way we can perform short circuit test of transformer.